wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best drones for indoors. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the affordably priced Syma X20 will literally fit in the palm of your hand and is a good choice for youngsters who are new to radio-controlled vehicles. With one-touch takeoffs and landings and an altitude hold mode, you can get going without much practice. It includes spare propellers and can be controlled from up to 66 feet. However, it offers only about a 5-minute runtime. At number 9, tiny but mighty, the high-powered dexop-babrit Mast 6 comes mounted with a high-definition camera and can be flown indoors and outdoors. It has 6 propellers, a durable airframe, and smooth handling, though it can only stay in the air for 6 minutes at a time. It includes a 1-button return feature and propeller guards, but this one's not recommended for beginners. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you've ever wanted to shrink yourself down to the size of a bug and experience what it's like to buzz around the air, the Blade Nano QX2 is for you. All you need is a headset to get a first-person view of the action via a camera built into the front of this one. It offers expert and beginner flight modes and is agile enough to perform acrobatics. However, the propellers are easily damaged. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones for indoors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Star Wars fans young and old will be delighted to see the Air Hogs Millennium Falcon quad taking off from their bedroom floor. You can pilot the ship, complete with light and sound effects true to the movies, from far, far away with the included remote control. It features a gyro stabilization system and an impact-resistant design, but it takes a long time to recharge. Moving up our list to number 6. Colorful LED lights make the Holy Stone HS-170 Predator a real head-turner, especially when flying at night. Its headless mode makes it easy to control, even though its powerful motors and lightweight frame may give you a lead thumb. It offers 3 speed modes and can be charged via USB. However, the throttle is very sensitive. Halfway up our list at number 5. The nimble Blade Nano QX RTF is perfectly capable of zooming past doorways and furniture. This quadcopter comes with a proprietary sensor-assisted flight envelope, which keeps it from spiraling out of control and makes it a great choice for beginner pilots. It's equipped with a durable airframe and extra rotor blades, along with a rechargeable lithium battery. At number 4, the DJI Spark has the ability to record HD video and hit a top speed of 31 miles per hour. But the most impressive thing about this model is that a user can control it using only hand gestures. Its bulky design means it's not well suited to navigate narrow doorways or hallways though. It comes with a remote control and a 3D obstacle detection system. It can take aerial selfies. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a prankster's dream, the parrot Mambo comes with a cannon accessory that lets you shoot marble-sized balls up to 6 feet away, and a grabber that can pick up items weighing up to 4 grams. It boasts excellent maneuverability and can be controlled from a smartphone. It includes an autopilot hover function and an automatic shut-off system. It can perform barrel rolls too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones for indoors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, while pricey, the DJI Mavic Pro has a host of professional-grade features and is an excellent choice for commercial uses. It can fly for up to 27 minutes on one charge and is able to track a target from the air. Because of its size, it's not recommended for in-home use. It features a gimbal-stabilized 4K camera and a GPS sensor. It can be maneuvered via a smartphone. And coming in at number 1 on our list, flip, roll and race with the fierce-looking Holy Stone HS-150. Its anti-interference circuitry ensures your signals won't get crossed with those of your rival, while its included propeller guards make it perfectly safe for indoor use. It boasts a low power alert, a spare battery and quick acceleration. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drones for indoors, or simply click beneath this video.